Today we are tackling my closet. It's in dire need of some purging and organization. There's just too much stuff in here. I really was doing well for a while with having minimal things and only having the few things that I wear, and then, you know, life happens and you buy new stuff, and which that's a bunch of new stuff sitting there in a pile that I haven't even worn, and things that need to get hung up. Shopping bags. I don't think there's anything actually in these. It was a gift from my sister. Some socks that I bought for Christmas next year. Yes, I have already started Christmas shopping. It's just what I do. And then over here is also filled to the brim with clothes. It's not too disorganized at the moment anyway, but there is just too much stuff. I don't wear all of this stuff. I do this every few months. I go through and see what I have and see what I haven't worn since then and get rid of things. This drawer down here is a mess. It's like pajamas and workout clothes and things like that. And then I always have a pile here of just clothes that need to get put away that I haven't put away yet, and it's a mess, and I have things here that I still need to put away. So it's just kind of really tidying up my room. This right here drives my husband insane. He hates this stuff because in here is his sweatshirts and like sweatpants and things like that. He has this dresser over here, so that's where all his stuff is. Mine's here, but he keeps his bigger things, sweatshirts, things like that in there, and every time he goes in to try to get a sweatshirt or anything, all of my stuff falls off, or he's trying to pick it up with all of the crap on top, and it's just, I'm sure, annoying, and I am good for a while, and then I let it pile up again. So I'm going to try my best to get rid of stuff so everything is neat and organized, and he doesn't divorce me over my clothes. So a few years ago, I hated everything that I owned. I think it was when I turned 30. I had tons of Victoria's Secret stuff that's a pink all over it and just like some juicy stuff. I know, but to each his own. It just wasn't my style anymore. And I got rid of a ton of stuff, and like, look at this pile. This is only 3 drawers worth of stuff. And like, that is not minimal. This is tank tops, short sleeve shirts, and long sleeve shirts. It's much better than it used to be, but there's just no need. So I think I'm gonna do another purge in a couple weeks, and so far that stuff to donate, that stuff to give to my sister and my niece. And I think I just need to reevaluate, because this is crazy. Everything is nice and organized. Tank tops, short sleeve shirts, long sleeve shirts, and dresses, and some skirts. And then back here, I have a couple like dresses that I would wear to like weddings and things like that that I just keep back there. All of my jeans and pants. And here, I just have like wallets and belts, things like that. Booties, slippers, house shoes, sneakers and flip-flops, flats, boots and dress heels, pocketbooks, and some are like sandals, wedges, and a pair of dressy shoes, again, that I would wear to a wedding. Guys, that is it for today's video. I loved the way everything came out. I folded it Konmari style, so you can really see when you open your drawers everything that you have. If you guys like these motivating organizational videos, give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below what kind of video you'd like to see next. Bye!